$34? Sometimes to improve, you need to disapprove. Oh! No! All right, guys, we are very excited to present to you today the world's cheapest skateboard ramp on Amazon. How much did this cost?
I forgot off the top of my head.
Forgot. Wow.
$34.
$34?
Yeah.
Is that the cheapest ramp? Come on, we can make a cheaper ramp. We're gonna start a ramp company. It's gonna be $12. The one good thing I like about this is it already came assembled.
Yeah, let's go. Full send it, Aaron.
The cheapest ramp ain't working at all.
Oh, it's upside down. That's why.
Oh, dude.
You gotta skate it like, no, just...
They should have said this side up. I mean, you have all the dimensions on here. Quantity of 3,000. Net weight 3.9 pounds. Gross weight 5.4 pounds. Whatever.
There you go.
There we go.
I think it's the best ramp ever.
To fakie. Oh, boy. Who can send this?
Look, he's a dog on a mission.
Ollie, what are you doing? You want to ride the skateboard? Come on, buddy.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
What are you, a scooter rider?
What you got?
I mean, Ollie's out in the field. I'm waiting.
Wow, okay.
It almost feels like the box is the ramp.
Oh!
It's kind of like how many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop, right?
Forgot where you were going with that.
Because we're gonna like skate it until the box falls off.
You are Mr. Owl.
Yeah. Okay, Mowgli, we'll let you land that, then I'll open it up.
Yeah.
I just keep not doing it.
Wow. I think he farted when he missed that trick.
I was wondering what that smell was.
Yeah.
I love when they call it 1080. 1080 modular skate park. Build your own backyard skate park for use with BMX, bikes, skateboards, and inline skates. Includes one micro wedge ramp. This is a micro ramp, ages 7+. Lower height and wedge-shaped ramp is easier to use for beginners. Non-slip texture and integrated rubber feet. I love they call it 1080. Like, dude, who's got the 1080? There we go. I knew that was gonna happen. I think it was better with the box on. 69% 5-star reviews. 2-star, not worth it, way too narrow. Oh boy, he got air. We need a bike. Whoa. It's too narrow. My son, who is pretty brave, rode it twice and said he wouldn't use it again. No way. It works for that? Why would it work for that but not a skateboard? I was a little nervous because this ramp seemed priced considerably less than other brands, but it is fantastic. I just look up at Mowgli's
Dude, this thing is breaking.
We're gonna do some tricks on
As
this.
soon as Mowgli pops onto it from the 3 block, it's breaking.
I just realized it's for 7+. If I was 29 years younger, I could actually skate this thing. 29 years! Dude, just look at it. Just look at when I step on it.
Maybe that's a good thing, though.
Yeah, maybe.
Body.
Oh. Mowgli, sometimes to improve, you need to disapprove. Maybe we just do a side-by-side comparison. Box it came in. Oh, boy!
Oh, oh man. Wow.
Why ain't it popping right?
Dude, this thing looks impossible.
Nah, it's good. It's good. 5 stars.
I think I hate this ramp.
I could actually kickflip, I think.
We're here doing a kickflip off, and this man does a pop shove it.
Houston, we have liftoff. Best ramp ever, right? Oh my God.
I tried. I gotta try again.
No, I take it back. The best ramp ever, the one we made.
What's happening?
It just caves in the second you hit it. It caves in.
Oh, that's why.
It throws you off every time.
I really do think it was better with the cardboard.
Somehow Mowgli can skate it. I know. Part of the cardboard like makes you think like it's more solid.
Mowgli is Mowgli though. Makes sense. This is like one of those Bakersfield street hits.
Yeah, street spot for sure.
Come on, Bakersfield. Oh, yeah. Dude, what can be done?
You know, Mowgli, that's a good idea. Here, we may as well do this. Then we'll do 3 stair, 5 stair, 3 block.
Oh, that's perfect.
When we got skate camp,
All he knows, Manny?
when we do skate camp, this would be like the hottest item in here, though.
Oh,
I
yeah.
ain't gonna lie.
Oh, boy.
I don't know where I was going.
Put it at the bottom instead of the top. Yeah. Yeah.
You really want to do that?
Yeah. Oh. Woo. Good.
Oh my lord, that was the scariest thing in my life.
Yeah. Can't believe that didn't break.
Done put my life in danger.
Whoa.
That was weird. It worked. It's bouncy.
I saw that and I was like, who put that basketball hoop there? Gabe? The second you ollie, you just want to bail. Oh, boy!
Oh!
And went to the risky and to the other ramp, not even the flat part.
You know what? I think we can get weird with this thing. Oh, what are you thinking? Wall ride?
Let's see if that'll work. I don't know where I was going.
You got that, dude.
Isn't today SpaceX and NASA launching?
Yep.
That's amazing. All right, right here for Elon. Damn.
Ow!
I don't know which one I hit.
Chainsaw.
Oh my god.
Right into the chainsaw.
Gave me a dead arm.
Oh.
I'm still alive.
Let's go! Oh my god.
I need my senpai.
Oh, I know what we're doing wrong. We just can screw it in right here. Why do you think they have these holes? No! I don't have words.
Every time I fall on the platforms here, I'm like, thank goodness it's not cement. We're getting there.
Well, that one looks a lot better.
I love me a good launcher.
All right, where to next?
No, do not do that.
Floating. My man was floating.
First try!
That's panicking.
It's a better boomerang than a skate ramp.
Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you learn how to ride a skateboard. It's super fun. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. We got everything you need.